Hello everybody and good morning. Yes, another trip is in the works here. I am in my Ford. Yep, it's not an EV. As much as I'd like to have it be a Ford Lightning, it is not. I'm on the way to Wyoming. Got several stops. There's not going to be much EV stuff in this series of videos, but at least you'll get some cool scenery. I'm heading here from North Carolina all the way to Wyoming. There you go. It's early. I'm going to get on the road, and to boot, I'm pulling a gigantic trailer, so it should be an adventure. I've got a full tank of diesel fuel. I think it's about 25 gallons. Range currently is 425, but it's really the GOM. I don't know what it is. We're going to find out. The adventure starts, yes, and no trip is even complete without some weird, stupid problem. So now all of a sudden, the truck reports that the trailer is not connected, which is not correct because I have trailer lights and blinkers and all that stuff seem to work fine. So I don't know what it is. Maybe it's measuring in brakes or something, or a fuse, or who knows. It's just always something, especially when I drive this truck. So anyway, we're going to take it easy. Doesn't feel like the trailer brakes are working. Maybe they'll activate if we drive down the road a little bit. I don't know. Who can figure this out? Yes, even driving my truck and trailer, there's only one thing you got to have in the morning, and that's a Scottish breakfast. All right, got my Scottish breakfast. I'm hitting the road. I'm up on the interstate here now. I'm on cruise control, and I've reset the miles per gallon average here. This is going to be a expensive trip at over $5 a gallon for a diesel fuel. And right now it's reporting 10 miles with 1,600 miles. You can do the math. Anyway, just starting up a hill, so it's going to be in the tank, but it's okay. We'll do the best we can here. It's a nice day. It looks like there's no precipitation, so hopefully we can get there without any issues. Should be good. If you're a Tesla driver, you know about autopilot. Well, I'm the autopilot in this. I have cruise control, no traffic aware cruise control, so if I don't change things, I'll run into it. It's a 2016 F-250 diesel. And while it's a good truck for pulling things, because it is so big and heavy, it has absolutely no creature comforts other than cruise control in it. And which makes it a little bit more taxing to drive. If you currently drive a car with some form of lane keeping, perhaps Tesla Autopilot, you'll know that that really helps out a lot. So anyway, I've got to pay attention the whole time and have no help here in navigating down the road. Navigation in this consists of a internal navigation. I think it may be Garmin or one of those. Here, it's very old and antiquated. It does not have CarPlay. It's too old for that. And so therefore, I'm using my phone as navigation. And I've also set up the what I'll call antique navigation, even though it's 2016 here, manually to our destination in Nashville. Looks like the first trouble here we're passing. Not sure. Some kind of a car got T-boned. Not sure how that happens, but whatever. You'll see everything here on the road. You can't pass up a Scottish breakfast, even though you're not in a EV. Yeah, and you think I have a big load. Look at that. Wow. I'm up here on Interstate 40 now, and what do we see? 3 hot air balloons. Very cool. No wind this morning, so hot air balloons generally take off early in the morning, take advantage of the cool weather and no wind. And they're right here above Interstate 40. Here's the rig. Seems to be traveling just fine, even though the trailer brakes complain that they're not there. It's all right. We'll get on down the road here. Well, how about that? Trailer says it's connected now. Whatever. Anyway, so far we're getting 15.2 miles average per gallon. If you multiply that times $4, make that $5.30. I'm not sure of the mileage, but I'll put it up here on the screen. Got a little ways to go, another couple hundred miles, I think, today. Just out of the gorge now, westbound Interstate 40. Just going through downtown Knoxville now. If you're a Tesla fan, you'll know Level Road. This is where the 150 kilowatt 8 stall is located, the original supercharger here in Nashville. Made a pit stop here. Got a number of miles to go in Tennessee, of course. The nav says 121 miles to go. I've got 148 miles of range, so maybe I'll stop and get some fuel here in another 100 miles. Well, here you are, 5:39. Let's fill her up. I think I'll go in and get a loan. Well, there you go. It's the very first fill up. We're filled. Now the range is 383 and I average 14.9. So we're getting down the road here. We're back on Interstate 40 westbound. First turn in 26 miles. I've arrived in Nashville. If you like today's short video, click the like, click subscribe. I certainly would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Look for tomorrow's video on the way to Kansas. Take care.